Bullish Pancakeswap cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $17.96 and $39.11 by 2030. Market examiners accept cake could reach $17.96 by 2025. Bearish Pancakeswap market cost expectation for 2022 is $3.19. Pancakeswap presentation. The decentralized money environment is one of the exceptionally determined areas in the crypto space that has drawn the worldwide populace's consideration, primarily on account of the great pace of improvement and low obstruction of passage inside the chain. With the quick progression in the digital currency space, more tokens are coordinated to stay aware of the market interest and development. Pancakeswap has shown to be one of the impressive conventions as they present a useful and fledgling well-disposed method of activity. This DeFi project is viewed as one of the most amazing performing decentralized trades and furthermore the most helpful for on-chain spanning and yields. In this article, we examine an outline of the biological system, the continuous turns of events, and the exchanging capability of the resource the next few years. What is Pancakeswap? Pancakeswap is a consent convention that is likewise alluded to as a decentralized trade sent off on the Binance Brilliant chain that upholds the cultivating and exchanges of BEP20 tokenized monetary standards. This convention was made by mysterious designers in September 2020 and used its local token, Cake, for on-chain exchanges at a lower cost and higher speed. It is something contrasted with SushiSwap and Uniswap. Then again, actually they're Ethereum-based and more costly. The decentralized trade uses robotized market creator model, a software engineer that dispenses with the requirement for outsiders in crypto exchanges and gives the expected liquidity. This remarkable model permits the stage's clients to store their assets in return for tokens from the liquidity supplier, and this arrangement of trade has given the answer for low liquidity in the DeFi space. Regardless of the emphasis on decentralization, Pancakeswap permits the symbolic holders to offer sound aggregate proposition on the stage for administration, which is casted a ballot upon by different individuals, cultivating a feeling of local area. The Cake token has a few deflationary highlights incorporated into capability guarantee that the resource's reasonable worth is kept up with. Around 10% of the cash is raised during the underlying cultivating offering, and the symbolic lottery is continually scorched, which supports keeping up with cost steadiness. Because of its adaptability, the stage declared multiple million dynamic clients on their organization with an expected $6 billion stake as of April 2022. Pancakeswap major investigation. The group behind the formation of these stages stays unknown. However, this reality didn't influence the ceaseless development and reception of the organization. Pancakeswap works with the Binance Shrewd chain for better versatility. However, Cake stays a decentralized token. This organization with Binance Trade has made the token open to a bigger crowd and aided increment the quantity of ventures sent off on the convention. The guide that the token depends on is profoundly nitty-gritty with imaginative foundation that is consistently carried out by the improvement group. The guide highlights paired choices, fixed-term marking, a lengthy loaning and getting stage for LP tokens, NFT gaming and exchanges, and numerous others. Pancakeswap current cost. Pancakeswap is at present worth $3.99 USD. Cake has moved 1.39% as of now with an exchanging volume of $49,473,421. Pancakeswap is at present position 64 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $586,843,393 USD. Using the overall strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for Pancakeswap to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation estimates utilize continuous Pancakeswap market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in view of current market action. Pancakeswap value expectation 2022. Pancakeswap, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The Cake cost conjecture for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $5.99. Similarly as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be steady, yet no significant drops are normal. Averaging $5.59 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Cake is supposed to have a base worth of $4.79. Pancakeswap value forecast 2023. In 2023, Pancakeswap Cake cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of cake will before long outperform $9.98. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the cake's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, cake will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $7.98 and a typical exchanging cost of $8.78. Pancakeswap Value Forecast 2024. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $13.97 and cake might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. Cake is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $12.77 and a low of $11.97 in 2024. Pancakeswap Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Pancakeswap effectively supports market opinion among digital money fans, the cake coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, cake will be green in 2025. The cake is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual money will be valued at $17.96, with a base cost of $15.96 and a typical cost of $16.76. Pancakeswap Value Expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the cake cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $20.75 by 2026, with a base cost of $19.96 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, cake has a greatest value worth of $21.95. Pancakeswap Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $24.74. On the off chance that cake figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a greatest cost of $25.94. Neglecting to assemble the help cake needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $23.95. Pancakeswap Value Forecast 2028. While cake is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $27.94 and a yearly cost close above $29.93 in 2028. Pancakeswap Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Pancakeswap will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $31.93 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $33.92, averaging out at $32.73. Pancakeswap Value Expectation 2030. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest cake cost in 2030 is projected to be $39.11 in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of $37.52. And